Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for watching my channel. I'm Mezzy Shredder, and I make understanding things on the guitar easy. And today, I want to show you how easy it is to move up and down the strings horizontally without making mistakes and hitting the wrong spots. There is a method to making it easy to play without making mistakes. I want to show it to you. What I do is I play each spot. I'm going to use the key of A minor. It is the easiest key to play in, so that's why we're going to use it. I'm not here to show things in a fancy method like, hey, Mezzy, you know these fancy keys. Yes, I know a lot of keys, but I want to keep it simple for you. So I'm going to show all of my examples in the key of A minor, where all the notes are natural, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. I'm going to take the A, B, and the C, and I'm going to use the spots. So what you're going to want to do is memorize the spots in the key of A minor, grouped in blocks of 3 like this: A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, F, E, F, G, F, G, A. You're going to need to know those spots in order to do this lick. But you don't know them? Well, that's why you're here, because I'm going to show them to you, so don't worry about it. Everything's going to be fine. Dessert's going to taste very, very good. Now, here's what I do. I'm going to play the spots 4 times each. We're going to count them out. B, A, B, C, then B, C, D. So it's good you're telling yourself 5, 7, 8, 7, 8, 10. And you're just going to play them. Now, I use the 16th note triplets. I have them in another video, how to play them and explain what they are. So watch that video to see that. In the meantime, I will use these triplets. If you do just plain triplets, it's this. But I like to flash your 16th note triplets better. I like them better because they sound like a shredder. So what we're going to do is we're going to play... That was a bad joke. We're going to play this 4 times each, and we're just going to move through the spots 4 times each. 4 times each. Now, if you're doing the 16th note thing, it sounds more like this. Now, what happens is, as you reduce the number of times you're doing it, you're going to be shifting quicker because you're moving faster. You're not sitting there as long, and that's what becomes more difficult. That's where you need the eye training. That's what this is designed to do, is train your eyes to move faster than your hands. Because if your eyes do not move quicker than your hands, you are not going to be able to do this without making mistakes. And this is how we train. We train by beginning 4 times each and giving the eyes a chance to see each spot and moving through them slower. And then as the eyes get used to it, we reduce the amount of times, and then your eyes have to follow a little quicker and a little faster. So by the time you get to 1 time, your eyes are moving. They're moving quick. And then if you don't have the training down and they're not used to being able to move at that speed, it's going to be a train wreck. So I will show you how to build that speed. Now, let's do this 4 times. I'm going to do 3, then 2, then 1. Did you see that? Again. 4, 3s, 2s, and 1. The less times you do it, the quicker the shift. So, my favorite is 2s because they sound like you're playing a lot of notes, and it sounds like you're moving at lightning speed. 2s is the balance of sounding like lots of notes, you're moving like a bat out of hell. Where 1 does not sound as bad, it doesn't sound like that, and 3 or 4 sounds like you're just sitting there waiting to move, like you're idling. So 2 is like, for me, it just does it for me. It floats my boat. So I'm going to show you the doubles here. That's 2 times a piece. That's what I like the best. And that is how you move up and down the strings in a horizontal fashion without making mistakes. You just memorize the spots by playing them a boatload of times, and then you drop the number of times you're playing it to increase the speed of the shift. I really hope you guys understand what's going on here, so you can use this to become an incredible horizontal player and reach your personal best, which I'm sure is something special. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.